face-up hook was no good, but there is Milicic.
Won't go. Tapped over to Love. Here's Ridnour behind the back to Darko, who flushes it. Luke Ridnour with a pretty setup to Darko Milicic, who hammers it home.
As soon as I saw Luke Ridnour veer to his right, I knew it was.
Ginobili steps through. Darko blocks it. Third block of the night by Darko Milicic. Boy, what a great equalizer that is for the Timberwolves. What a pass by Darko. Gets it back and stuffs it. How about that sequence?
Griffin driving on Milicic, who rejects him.
Now the reason I like that is he played him for the drop. Milicic does not block one shot a game. A year ago he blocked close to two.
Under-taught, and the players end up overthinking and underplaying. Block shot the next 2 games.
Meanwhile, Darko Milicic, part of that defense. A rare appearance early. He got Dikembe Mutombo mad. And he got him even madder.
Timberwolves creeping back here. Midway through the first quarter.
Oh, nice.
Darko throws it down. The one-handed hammer after the setup by Michael Beasley.
Minnesota player with more than one field goal.
Devin Love, just 3 points so far tonight. Milicic must have heard what you said about blocking shots.
No, come on now. He wasn't, ranked.
Warwick, no-look pass to Milicic for the dunk. Wow, that was pretty. The feed from Warwick to Darko.
Davis fell down. The Grizzlies took the ball and sprinted down.
Darko goes opposite hand.
Ball deflect! Darko Milicic threw it down! Oh my goodness!
Too bad he's not athletic. That's crazy.
Let me tell you something.